Didn't you call those like those little threads on the tires? Aren't they called tire nipples?
They're not called tire nipples, but they are nipples.
Oh, I thought you called them tire.
They are get the name of the thing that it comes out of. The machine it comes out of. I forget the name of the actual name of them, but most people refer to them as nipples.
It just seems so vile.
But what it is when it comes out of the, I don't know why I can't think of it, but when it comes out of the mold, yeah, that's what these are, little mold nipples. See, when it's in the mold, it injects. The mold has injections, and it injects all this rubber through these little holes.
Oh.
And that's what's left over. So that's where all the injectors would be.
Oh, okay.
Into the mold. It's awfully loose. Looks like the center is different. Wow, that's
How could they change up like that?
How do they change them up like that? How? How do they do that? Oh, inquiring minds want to know.
You're being funny.
So there you go. Now it's the same size.
Oh, you mean you can adjust it?
Wow. That one's a little long. Need a shorter one. And see where's the hole at. Oh, it's around there somewhere. There it is.
Well, thank you, Stephen, for putting a new tire, for getting a new tire and putting a new tire on.
That don't work on there no more. Alright, there we go. Off to the races.
Off to the races. What do we do with the old one?
Make a hat out of it.
Like, is it like recyclable?
Throw it in the garbage can.
The whole thing?
The whole thing?
I mean,
I'll let you bite a piece of it over there.
Well, I mean, you can't use the rim, or you can't use the, I mean, you can't separate it and recycle it and use it for something? Oh, for real? And the vice grips are bad too?
Yep.
Well, thank you, love.
Take a blub.
I said love. I didn't call you blub. Guess I'll go finish working on laundry.
There you go.
Thank you. Here. Here. I want to show you how much I'm thanking you. Here. Thank you. Thank you.
Here.